Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to build a new 5-inch racing quadcopter using parts I've previously reviewed. In this video I'm going to use the AOK RC2206 2000 kV motors, the HGLRC forward 50A ESCs, and the Nidici AX215 frame. In addition, I'm also going to use the Rush Tank VTX, which performed extremely well on my test. I also used the Airbus flight controller from HGLRC, and since this flight controller is intended to be used with 4-in-1 ESCs and not individual ones, I also used the HGLRC PDB. It's a new product that came out recently, and one of its nicest features is that it has 4 LED ports on each corner. So my version also came with 4 pieces. All you have to do is just to connect an LED strip on each corner, and don't forget to isolate the LED strip from the carbon fiber, because if you are going to just place it like that, the carbon fiber is going to touch the pads and it's going to short things out. The total weight of my build is just over 323 grams, so it's pretty light. And since I've already built and flown this quadcopter, I can tell you that I got over 5 minutes of flight time when a Runcam tree was mounted on top of the quadcopter, which is really impressive, and you can get over 6 minutes of flight time using this setup when you're not going to mount an action camera on top using a 1300 mAh 4S LiPo battery. Now, by the way, even though these motors are rated to be used with 4S LiPo batteries, they can handle 5S LiPo batteries without any issues, and I've also seen it when I bench tested them. But the performance under 4S LiPo batteries is going to be better than 5S in terms of flight times, and also the motors felt more smooth when using 4S than using 5S. Regarding the HGLRC forward ESCs, I can tell you that using these individual ESCs makes the build a little bit more complicated than just using a 4-in-1 ESCs. However, the advantages of using these ESCs is that, first of all, if you're going to break an ESC, you don't need to replace the entire 4-in-1 ESC, and you can simply replace the burnt one. And in addition, it can save you some space on the center of your quadcopter. Over here it's not noticeable because I used the HGLRC PDB. However, if you're going to use a flight controller that can support individual ESCs, it's going to save you a lot of space. Finally, I can tell you that the Rush Tank Ultimate VTX performed very well, and I highly recommend it. And in the next few days, I'm going to review its racing version. So overall, if you're looking for a freestyle setup, I think that you should definitely check out the parts that I used. And the next thing I'm going to do is to play some photos from the building procedure, and then I'm going to show you the flight footage. I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.